Listen. Careful over the wall. Come inside. Take space north side. Come inside. Take space north side. Careful over the wall. Left shallow. It's okay. Just heal up. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill us inside. Spread on the north side. Listen. Spread on the north side and smash both gates. Spread on the north side and smash both gates. Okay. Who's on the south side?
We have a raid from south side, southeast.
Careful over the wall. Listen. Careful over the wall.
Coming west side.
Kill the guards inside. Hello, DPS. Kill the guards inside. Shaper.
Super.
Heal. Careful in the northwest, southwest. They're on the southwest. Ready your potion. Listen. Careful over the wall. Careful on
Careful, Zaga.
Careful on Tuban, please. Careful on Joke, man. Keep smashing. Yo, careful on the jug, please. It's sticking over the wall. They want to engage over the wall. Listen, careful. Yo, can we fucking dismount this jug? Careful. Don't I have a ballista?
We have one ballista.
Yeah, where's it?
Dismounted it.
Careful. Heal.
Nasa southeast na lang. Shipper.
Careful.
Kill them up this side.
Yo, on the jug. Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the jug. Jug. Come back, kinilap.
Killed one.
Smash. Where's Flap? What's Flap doing? You kill the guards inside DPS. Kill the guards. Is Flap like
in the map.
Coming.
I think they're on the southeast side.
Yeah. Southeast block.
Heal. Careful on the jug. Tokon's looking. Careful on the jug. Where is Flap? Wait, hold on. Where's Flap? Southeast. Careful on the southeast, okay? Careful. Spread on the north. Okay, wait. Kill the guards here. Kill the guards here. Shaper. Come back. Kill the guards here. Yo, somebody watch southeast. Watch Flap.
Yeah, I'm watching Flap.
Bro, careful. Kill this guards inside.
Yo, ballista, shoulder ballista, please.
Careful.
Blocking lead.
Yeah, listen. Tokon's looking to counter us. When we engage on the southwest. And I think Flap also is looking. Careful on Flap, southeast.
Ikaw, is just dismounted me. I'm remounting. Okay.
Can we
Where's my
inside?
ballista?
It's always getting dismounted by the ballista. No one's silencing it.
Can you heal me?
Demon that shit. Where's Flap? What's Flap doing? Yeah, careful.
Yeah, they're going back south. South.
South?
Yeah,
Yo, careful, they're looking. Ready to headbutt. Listen, careful. One is looking for a headbutt. One is looking for a headbutt, okay? Careful over the wall. Careful. Dab. Walk southwest now. Listen. Walk in. Listen. Walk in. Careful of Brim, Let's walk.
They're going southeast.
Walk. Careful. Come back right. Yo, fight up. Come back right. We're gonna get sandwich. Come back right. We're gonna get sandwich. Come back right. We're gonna get sandwich there. Come back. I don't wanna get sandwich. Come back. Just wait. Careful.
He's looking east side.
Yeah. Careful. Nice kidnap. Kill that guy. Careful. Ready, okay? On him. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On him. Fuck, man. No, bring. Pila. Spread.
Judy, please.
Yeah, listen. Can my behemoth just throw on the chest so that they don't open it? If I have a behemoth or the ballista. Careful. Or a curse. Just drop a curse or fire over the wall, okay? Watch Flap. Careful on Flap, okay?
CZ DPS is on southeast, maybe. Hard southeast.
Wait. I'm looking at black holes. Careful. Southeast. Headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Nice. Come northeast. Careful on the southwest, okay? Pila. What's happening here? Come back. Just wait. Heal up. Come back. Wait. Careful. Yo, Mookie's opening the chest. Don't let Mookie open the chest, okay? Just wait. Don't let Mookie open the chest. Listen, just drop fires over the gate. Over the wall. Fires or whatever. Whatever range, okay? Heal up.
We need to silence on the
Yo, look at Southwest Shallow and Pluck, okay? Yo, watch Summers, okay?
Yeah,
Kill this guy inside. Kill this guy inside, okay?
Tokon stacking ha, tokon stacking.
Yeah, Tokon stacking, okay? Careful, Pluck looking. Careful.
Easy looking on the Lord room ha.
Yo, fire that guy. Fire the people opening chest, okay? Heal up. Depth shallow. Counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter shallow. Zero, converter. Ready depth, okay? Ready depth. Come on,
Sige, I stop.
Heal up. Nice. Heal up my status, okay?
Can you heal me?
Look at that chest. Look at that
Can you heal
chest.
me?
Yeah, heal up. Body. Just wait.
This balista.
Wait. Okay. We're like at a standoff, and somebody's gonna get sandwiched anytime soon, man. Just wait.
So I don't have defensive. Can you watch dito? Come dito.
Careful. Ready def, okay? Marika, they're looking southwest, they're looking at the southwest. Fire is looking, Marika, head but southwest, 5, 4, 3.
Easy going.
Southwest now.
Easy.
Come back northwest.
Looking at
Northwest, it's okay. Alright, we're good. Come back.
She's loving it.
Yeah, I know. Careful. Fight dog, careful. Heal up. Dandy. Tororo, why you die there?
Hello, healers, mata.
Hey,
Wala, kalalik.
wait, aren't you a clump tank? Why you there?
Holding them. Ay, tama.
Nigga, you're a clump tank, hello? Hey, left up. Thanks for that shit, man. Look at Southeast Shallow, okay? Southeast Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast Shallow. Careful. Takon's gonna turn here, okay? Careful. Come back northeast. Step southwest. Come northwest. Come northwest. Left inside. Heal. Okay, good. Come back. Okay, I can't do that. Come up. Heal up. Listen. Come northwest here. Come northwest. Just wait. Come northwest. What are they doing?
Wala, nag-hold pa rin.
What are they doing?
Nag-hold.
Sorry. Mario, get ready. South side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, south side. Ay, back. Come back fast. Yeah, locus on choke. Come northwest. Locus. Yeah, I know. I see it. They miss. Just heal up. Heal up only. Come northwest. Heal up. Careful. Pluck looking. Depth shallow. Guard front. Kill front line. Good. Heal up only. Good. We're okay. Just heal up.
Can you watch easy? Inching up.
Very low. Very good. Come northwest.
They're trying to open again.
Come northwest. Come southwest. Swap ini. Mantap. Southwest. No. Do not change mount. We're not leaving. Balmots. We're not leaving.
The middle mo kaya?
They're fighting both middle.
No, they're not engaging yet.
It's mommy. Yeah, this
Bomb engage.
Smash this gate.
They pushing block.
Where's Pluck, I think?
Hindi, here, west side.
Yo, Marika, look at north, okay? Get ready.
Out of the Lord room.
Come. Come inside.
Summer's going in the middle. Summer's going to the middle.
Inside, come northeast.
Pluck here, courtyard.
Careful, okay? They're looking at us. Careful. Ready, def. Stack, jug. Stack. Yo, fight up. Can you engage first?
Yan, move now.
Peel up. No, listen. Ready your potion, okay? Careful, Pluck on the northwest. Come up southeast. Careful, Pluck on the northwest, okay? Careful, Pluck on the northwest. Friends. Careful. Marika. Come. West side. 5. On the jump. 4, 3, 2, 1. West side Amina. Come back. Come back southeast side. Kill that
Just
inside.
open just open.
It's okay, I don't care. Okay, fucking win this fight. That's it. That's the important thing. Careful, black on the northwest, careful, black on the northwest, careful. Let's win this fight. Get content, it's fine. It's the important thing, man. Bias on the northwest, careful, bias on the northwest, careful, they're looking on the northwest, come southeast. Careful, black stepping up, stepping up, careful.
CZ, look into your movie, East, west side.
Seal up.
I'm watching west side. They're inching up.
Comes out. Fucking play this as threats, man. I think Jaxi just keep engaging over the wall. Just be careful, boy. Nobody wants to commit. You're gonna get countered. You're careful over the wall, but careful by the brim. Careful by the wall, boy. Just tell me if Summers is rotating. Stick to come to the southwest. Hug the southwest, boys. Hug the southwest, okay? Nobody really wants to commit anything because...
Summer engage.
Pop
Okay,
here.
Careful, look at northeast shallow. Can we CC this? Can we CC the tanks here?
Huwag daw pinamatay.
Wait. Hold. Black on the northeast.
Hindi
Careful.
mag-i-
Black on the northeast.
isa-
Careful. Black on the northeast. Careful. Pila pony.
CZ yun,
Black stepping out. No. Okay, no.
No.
You're on the northeast, okay? Why is Black positioning where I'm fucking positioning, man?
Silent.
You want to wipe up.
I don't wanna get fucking sandwiched by fucking Black and Summers. Spread, just hold it. He just kidnapped. Listen, just kidnapped. Just hold it. Just wait.
CZ facing north, CZ facing north. The brim looking here, Monkey, Here.
Brim is looking, okay? Careful. Just tell me. Don't engage, okay? Don't stick to the wall, okay? Listen, ready.
CZ looking to you. CZ.
Yeah. Careful shallow tanks. Careful shallow. What's happening to Black? Black just holding there, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Kill the guards here. Can you kill the lord here? Using the beast and the lord here. Careful, they're engaging shallow on my tank. Heal up.
CZ him mag CZ.
Yeah, heal up. Sweet. Why is Sabong dying outside? Are you guys dying? You guys engage on them? Okay. Oh, nice one. You guys killed actually. Nice. Heal up. Careful. Yes, easy Loki, okay? Careful on this jug.
Black level 19.
Just keep bombing them over the wall so that they don't come close, okay?
Summers 23.
Careful. Fight dog. I'm getting ready to push, okay? To Lord Room. Getting ready to push to Lord Room. I'm just waiting for Plak to step out more. I think...
Fix 5?
No. I think fight dog you need to... You engage first later, okay? I try to
They
help
looking here.
Yeah. Careful. Just Jaxi try to engage on Plak if you can first, okay?
The brim is gonna counter Mugi. They're on the
Us?
Actually, some Plaque mounting up. They went out northwest.
Where are they now?
They're mounted. Plaque is mounted.
Okay, listen, guys. Okay, get ready, okay? Use the base on
They're
this
going west.
Lord
They're going
Room.
west.
Use the
Okay.
view.
They're going
Yeah,
west. They're
use the
going
base on
south
this
now.
Lord. Careful, tank step up and spread inside, okay? Tanks walk in and spread inside. Tanks and walk in and spread inside. You're ready to counter. Listen. Just walk, okay? Careful, listen, they're gonna counter soon. They're kiting. Look at southeast on the brim. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the brim here. Okay, one of their brim dead, okay? Careful. Budget looking, okay? Careful, they're gonna look soon, okay? Take space here on the southeast side, okay? One of the enemy brim dead. Where's Black? Black left?
They left.
Okay, Black left already, okay?
They left
Listen, step up,
southwest. They're in the hideout
northwest.
southwest.
Okay, no, come back Lord Room. Come southwest.
Coming to Lord Room.
Come back southwest. Fight dog, careful, okay? Monica, get ready. Spread. Listen, spread walk in. Easy looking, okay? Spread walk in. Monica, get ready. I'm faking west side only. Ready them. They pop them. Ready. Monica, hold. Look at my juggernaut. Everything on the juggernaut. Okay, and 1. Motion 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the juggernaut now. Now spread. You're gonna counter. Spread on Lord. Left west side. Oh my. Spread, man. It's already fucking marked as a skull, man. How can you fucking not dodge the fucking main color, man? Yo, Monica, get ready, okay? Spread. Heal up. Okay, look at west side, on the looters, west side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west side on me, big. So spread away from the crowd. Steezy looking northeast. He ready, left, east, heal. Heal, boys, heal. Oh my god, just heal up. Spread. Yeah, heal up, okay? Careful. Heal up, just keep spreading and
Heal up
falling, okay?
guys.
Listen, Mahalika, get ready, okay? Hold on, look at my juggernaut, okay? Get ready. On my juggernaut, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.